Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about is the crypto market. The cryptocurrency market has just went crazy. I should say it went crazy, whereby all cryptocurrencies is suddenly dropping. As we can see here, Bitcoin has dropped by over $4,000, 7.898. As you can see, it's it has the entire community in an uproar because persons are studying whether to buy or sell any cryptocurrency at this moment in time. At this specific time, I can't really say what is causing the crash in Bitcoin, but investors who predicted a 400,000 Bitcoin is now calling for a 50% drop. They're now calling for a 50% drop. Scott, chief investment officer of Framed Investment Firm, says Bitcoin could see a 50% drop in the near term as it runs too far too fast. He made the comments in an appearance on CNBC show Worldwide Exchange yesterday. So now what we're actually noticing right now in the market is a drop in Bitcoin. We're noticing a drop in not only Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin is currently 49,000 right now. Ethereum is currently 2,000. This coin is currently $476. Tether, XRP. These coins are the only one that see, but every single coin is experiencing a drop. Every single coin is experiencing a drop. It's experiencing a drop. Ethereum, same thing. You can see how it's fluctuating. But right now, if we go ahead and look at the Bitcoin, as we look at Bitcoin right now, around the time of let me go to 1 day. Around the time of 10, like about 46 minutes ago, and now it's just steadily going down. It's steadily going down. When we look at Ethereum, the same has been going on with this. We go ahead and look at the Tether. Tether seems like the only cryptocurrency. Well, this has dropped, but it has dropped to $0.99, but it slowly is progressing and going up. It's going up. XRP. This has plummeted. But so guys, what you want to go ahead and do, like and subscribe with post notifications turned on. And what we're going to do, as we get more information to unfold what is going on, we will be posting updates on our channel Whiteboard Wealth. So guys, continue to have a great day cryptoing, and we will update you as soon as we have more information about what is going on in the cryptocurrency market.